welcome back to my channel. This is Yegi. I hope you all had a kick-ass day. Those of you that are new to my channel, I am a lash educator and a lash artist who also owns her own lash product line, academy, and salon. In today's video, we're gonna do a dramatic mama who blows people away with a blink of an eye type of look, aka a dramatic dark mega volume look using the Yegi EZ Fanning 2.0 mega volume lashes. Before we jump into the mapping of this look and see how easy it is to make volume pans with these lashes. They're like magic. And most importantly, they will save you time on doing volume full sets. I could do a volume full set with these lashes in an hour, which is crazy because on average people usually do a volume set in 2 hours. And a nice full dramatic volume look. Now let's go ahead and review the mapping for this look. The client wanted a dramatic cat eye look. To be able to make really big fans to achieve this look without damaging her natural lashes, we will use the lashes in the 0.03 thickness. She also mentioned that she wanted an average curl, so we will use the CC curl. Lastly, for the lengths, we will stick to the longer ones and select 13, 14, and 16. And since we are doing a cat eye, we will apply the lashes in order of shortest to longest. 13's going in the inner corner and 14's in the center and 16's in the outer corner. As you can see, we are applying the 16mm on the corners facing right of the eye to give that extra cat eye look. We are working on one eye at a time, and this helps us save time overall instead of going back and forth to each eye as we're working. We want to fully be done with one eye, then go and move on to the next eye. And also you can see we're jumping around within the eye, and the reason for this is to make sure no lashes get stuck together because they're still drying as we apply them and quickly move on to the next. Sometimes when the extension is placed on the natural lash, it can fall to the left or the right, but you have time to adjust the extension straight by holding it straight up with the tweezers as it dries. When the extension is applied, you want to wait a second or two before you let your tweezers go from isolation to avoid any lashes around the extensions to stick together, especially the little baby lashes. When you are working on the inner and outer corners of the eye, the lashes tend to be smaller and lighter. So especially when using long sizes, you can still create a nice fan, but make sure the base is not too big and heavy for those light lashes. Remember the rule of thumb, never double the thickness nor double the length of the natural eyelashes. Magnifying glasses for eyelash extensions are used to reduce eye fatigue and comfortable to wear. These work perfectly to magnify the client's natural eyelashes so you can see better and put less pressure on your eyes. They come with 5 different magnifying lens options. The application process is a lot easier if you're using magnifying glasses. You can actually purchase these at yegibeauty.com. When you pull these mega extensions off the strip, they already fan out on their own. But if you want to create a wider fan, you can place them back on the sticky part of the lash strip and create a larger, wider fan.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
Look how cute this bumblebee fan is. It is compact and it actually has 3 different speeds in case you want more or less air. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and share. It really helps me to be able to create more free videos just for you. I'm watching you. Click the share button. You know you want to. I mean, your lash friends would surely appreciate it, so share. Okay, bye. Have a magical day. Mwah.